So, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to show you the finished product. So this is all done on the table, put together. You can do that by following my YouTube tutorials. I'd really like to know what you think of it and think of the work so far. So please drop a comment on our YouTube and Facebook page, and any questions please don't hesitate to ask. I'm going to try and get some good camera angles for you today. I'm not sure how well it's going to go, but we'll give it a go. So here we go, here's the headstock, custom cut, which was quite fairly easy to do. So this kit is available to buy on our website at tkmuzzandrepairs.co.uk. A nice lovely rosewood fingerboard for you. Nice basswood body. So all the stuff comes together, or not together, sorry, comes in the kit. I'm just going to move these out of the way so you can get a nice sweeping. There you go, and try and get one down there. So as you can see, this guitar itself, we satin polished it. It's a lovely guitar. It took a little while to make, however, as you can see, it's well worth it. So I'll just come in a bit for you. So I actually put Seymour Duncan pickups in mine. It costs £140, and managed to pick them up on eBay. The wiring, if you check out my wiring video, you will see how I done it. I'll just flip it over for you, so you get a nice little plate. You can see as well, it's nice and shiny. Lovely piece of kit, it plays lovely. The last and final video, well, it might not even be a video, it might be a series of photos which I've taken on the way of like my documentation, and what I might do is stick some audio of the guitar itself playing. So please get in contact if you'd love to buy one. They start at £125 off our website. For the first person to buy one, I will give a 10% discount. But there's the product, and I hope you've enjoyed watching the series. I will be getting another guitar soon, and I will do the same process. Let me know what you think I should get next. Thank you for watching, and head over to TK Muzz and Repairs to buy your guitar today. Thank you.